Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw something super fun and exciting. A cute robot. Let's start drawing.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a rectangle. This will be the robot's head. Now draw another rectangle below the first one. This is the robot's body. Next, draw two legs below the body. Now draw two hands on both sides of the body. Draw a small antenna on top of the head. Now draw two ears on both sides of the head. Let's make it cute. Draw two big eyes. Draw a small, smiling mouth. Now draw a heart shape on the chest and add some small rectangles for robot buttons. Nice job, everyone! Our robot drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's show our color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Ready? Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Awesome coloring, little artists! You did an amazing job today. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep having fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.